Residence 54 is a poetic revival of a 30-year-old townhouse in Bangkok. Once compromised by structural fatigue and settling, this renovation preserves the soul of the building while breathing new life into its bones. The original walls were opened up and replaced with an iron mesh boundary, inviting vines to cloak the facade and connect the home to nature. Glass facades expand the living space visually, and a corten steel folding entrance door welcomes natural light while offering tactile character. Although the original structure was significantly damaged, with 30 centimeters of settlement and cracked beams, the architects preserved and reinforced it. An X-brace iron structure strengthens the concrete frame. The renovation orchestrates a front-to-back spatial flow on the ground floor, a dining area that seamlessly extends into living and pantry zones. The living room reveals its original brick wall by stripping away plaster, preserving history and texture within contemporary life. Generous glazing and open connections ensure that natural light floods interiors, while the open-plan layout enhances cross-ventilation. The palette fuses raw authenticity, exposed brick, corten steel, iron mesh, and glass, celebrating material integrity and honesty. Interiors remain refined and purposeful. A minimalist suspended corten steel staircase floats elegantly in front of soft hues. Built-in furniture and custom joinery enhance the sense of order and precision, while subtle lighting accents highlight art pieces and architectural details, ensuring each corner feels both refined and inviting. The iron mesh boundary allows vines to cloak the house, bringing living walls that temper privacy, shade, and texture, softening the edge between indoors and outdoors. Residence 54 transforms endurance into elegance. Here, structure is both protagonist and memory. A home where history is revealed, light is treasured, and transformation echoes humble poetry.